I got email 3 questions from today's work. They're all pretty similar. So when we are solving these are logs. These can be difficult, and tomorrow's homework too is going to be, again, still pretty difficult. So make sure that you are emailing me with your questions. At the end of this semester, we will be having a final test, not a final, but a final test that's going to include Chapter 7 and Chapter 8. So you gotta know what you're doing. So this first one, I have to know what my base is. Here's my exponential base right here. My exponential base. You want to match your exponential base with your log base. So I'm going to go log base 3 on this side. And whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So I have to go log base 3 on this side. Okay? So this is still here and this is still here. I'm doing log base 3 on both sides. Now if you do this into your calculator, log base 3 with exponential 3, those two cancel each other out, leaving with just whatever the exponent is. This is not going to be a nice number, so I'm going to leave it just like this, log base 3 of 26. And then this says multiplying. The opposite of multiplying would be dividing, so I'm going to divide by 2. So x will be equal to whatever this is in my calculator. And that looks... So I could either, to plug this in, log base 3, 26, and then divide by 2. If you don't have that special button, log 26, remember divide by log your base of this. It's the same thing as that. And then I divide by 2. Either way, I get the same answer. The next question is a lot like the one we just did. Here's my base, so it's a base 4. So whatever exponential base you have, you want to apply log base on both sides. So this was my equation. Oopsies, nope, that wasn't it. 4 to the x, and over here was 5. So again, this is just like, oh, what's the opposite of multiplying? Dividing. What's the opposite of adding? Subtracting. What's the opposite of exponential base? Log base. These two cancel, leaving me with just my exponent, which is x. And this I can plug into my calculator. And you will get that your answer is 1.16. And the last one I have, what about if I have two different exponents on both sides? Well, first thing, I can rewrite 25. If you can rewrite a number, you should. So I'm not going to do anything with this over here. I can rewrite 25 as 5 squared. So this is rewritten. This still has this exponent here, so I'm still going to have that exponent right here. You should be able to hear my baby crying. When you have this, once you get your exponential bases the same, like so, these two kind of cancel each other out, and then your exponents have to be equal to each other. So now I have this equation, and this equation is like your pre-algebra. So I distribute my 2, subtract my 2x, so I get x is equal to 2. And those are the 3 questions that I got. Make sure that if there's other questions you have, you email them to me. Thank you, and have a great day.